Hi, I'm Linda Weber, Owner Loyalty Manager at Nissan of Tustin. I would like to say congratulations on your vehicle purchase and thank you for choosing Nissan of Tustin. Whether you've just taken delivery or are returning for your first scheduled service, we want to make sure that your newly purchased vehicle maintains optimum performance. So when it's time to service your vehicle, you can give us a call, schedule online, or simply drive in for our no appointment necessary express service. Upon arrival, simply pull your vehicle under the service awning and one of our service advisors will greet you and address any questions or concerns you may have. While waiting for your service, we encourage you to take advantage of the complimentary premium high-speed Wi-Fi and the amenities available in our lounge and customer waiting areas. Your service advisor will keep you informed of the status of your vehicle and upon completion of your vehicle, provide a review of the multi-point inspection report. Our goal is to provide you with an overall truly exceptional experience. Thanks again for choosing Nissan of Tustin. We look forward to seeing you.